Hello and welcome to the Edu Leaders Show on the Edu Bulletin, where we bring you the latest insights and trends from the world of education. I'm Jessica, and I'm excited to guide you through this episode. We have an esteemed guest joining us, Srimati Madhvi Lata Kompella, Bharatiya Janata Party, Telangana. Why does she emphasize collaboration between schools and parents to build children's psychological strength in a digital age? Now, let's move directly into our interview. Over to you, Likhita. Let's hear what ma'am had to say.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Edu Leaders Show. We have with us our renowned guest for today, Srimati Madhvi Lata Kompella, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
From BJP Telangana. How are you doing today? How are you feeling today?
Every day, same day for me.
Great. So we have the first question for you. AI is entering classrooms really fast.
Okay.
So as someone managing a school, what excites you the most and what keeps you up at night?
See, I do not get excited with anything because everything excites me equally. See, when AI is entering into the schools, I would first say that, one good thing about AI is that you cut down the time of supplying information to child. Because all of us are human beings, and what is it that we run scarce in life is time.
True.
Okay, so what human cannot go beyond the layers of grabbing the information is what AI helps you. But at the same time, we also need to understand that AI lacks in two things. One is emotion and one is human logic.
True.
So if the human logic, human emotions added with the AI advantage as if it's applied to a child, probably we save on time, we give them most possible accurate information, and we open a child to information across the world beyond barriers. So it needs to be human plus AI judgment of giving knowledge to a child, which the school need to understand, shouldn't become overwhelmed or emotional about only giving AI to children.
Yeah, true. That was a great one. So the next one, students today have access to everything online. So what in your view is the irreplaceable role of a school?
Nothing is irreplaceable to me, because I do not believe in impossible, irreplaceable, these kind of, non-negotiable words.
Yeah.
But I would say one thing, that yes, it does concern parents and educational system that a child is exposed to everything today. But I'll ask you one thing, could we stop COVID in air? Right?
Yes.
So what did we try to do? We tried to build our lungs stronger enough to take any disease or any kind of infection that spreads around in the air.
Yes.
So child need to be made psychologically, mentally strong and healthy by parents and the school system, that if not today or tomorrow, the world is whatever it is turning into.
Yeah.
Now, what should you turn into is should be able to be wise enough to pick up what is good for you and help yourself keep away from what is hazardous to you. This wisdom and philosophy, knowledge, strength and sturdiness in a kid needs to be built together with parent and the school as a system.
Yeah.
Because we today work apart.
Yes.
The parent and the school, they work apart. They work on something very beautiful word called ego,
Yeah.
recognition, status symbol. What are my ratings? Let's get out of these kind of things for a while and understand that we're handling most precious gift of the nature called a child.
So true.
And the harmony between a parent or parents and the school itself as a substitute of family, parents and a home for morning set of 7 to 8 hours.
Yeah.
The together journey will really make a child the best, or we can really give back to the nation and to the family and to his or her own self also.
Such a satisfying answer that was. Thank you for that. So the last question, if you could send one message to every school leader in India right now in one sentence, what would it be?
I would never say there is one leader. I would say the entire Bharat is made up of leaders.
True. So true.
So my message is not for one. My message is for all 150 crore population of Bharat.
Yeah.
You better everybody be a leader, because India is going to rule the world as Vishwa leader.
Yeah.
So why only one leader?
Yeah.
I'm pretty greedy on that
Yeah.
note.
Yeah. Thank you so much. I think by hearing your answers, I would like to ask one more question to you. The last one. You built this institution from the ground up. Looking back, what is that one thing you would design completely differently today? Given
Which
a chance.
institution are you?
Given
a chance, a
Yeah,
school?
given a chance. Yeah.
Oh my God, I would hug every kid in a school. I would probably feed with my hand every kid in a school, cook for them,
Wow.
play with them, get into the mud, play with the clay,
So nice.
spoil my clothes, help them spoil their clothes. Life is all about how smart, how presentful I am to make my life peaceful, knowledgeable, and wise and wisdom enough. Nothing else stays with you and me at the end of our life. What's the point of the knowledge and education and books which if it isn't giving you the wisdom to think, if it isn't making you a good human being, and if it is not helping you to really enjoy moments of life like this, and if it is not building nationalism in you, and the most beautiful thing is let go and forgive anybody.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you for joining us for this enlightening discussion. We hope you found it as insightful and inspiring as we did. Save the number 721707010 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news updates and inspiring interviews from the Edu Bulletin.